Here it is, the 2024 RSD Super Holligan FTR limited run. This is a little deceiving. It's a number 111 of 300 made, but for us in the United States, we're only going to see about 125 of these. The majority of these are actually going over to Europe and overseas. Believe it or not, the FTR is a stronger market outside of the US, and they're going to get a few more special edition versions than we are. But let's go over a couple really cool things that, Indian has stuff on their website, and they have some videos and stuff, but I don't see a lot of content out here. I want you guys to kind of get into the details here. First off, we got a lot of carbon fiber on this guy. We got a carbon fiber front fender. We have carbon fiber radiator shrouds. We have carbon fiber here by the rear sets, and these are, I've not seen these on any other bike that they've had. I don't even know if these were in the accessory book prior to this, but this is adjustable. Both sides, of course, but really cool details. I don't believe that, this is painted, so I don't believe any of this painted stuff is carbon, so a little bit less carbon than the carbon version, but you still got some cool pieces on here that are in carbon fiber. Now let's go over a couple other things that are specific just to this bike. Our bar end weights are going to be special to the RSD bike. Our radiator cap is going to be special to that. We have these number plates, which are really cool. Of course, the graphics and everything else. The rear sets, you got a Krapovich exhaust. Now notice, they talk about having a special oil cap to this guy. Let's go over here. With this bike, so it actually comes shipped with the factory radiator shrouds on it. We take them off and we install the carbon ones. Now, inside of here is our aluminum oil cap, and it comes with a couple different colors that you can put on the cap itself. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. There we are. Look at that. That's talent, right? So there's our cap. You put your whatever color ring you want in there. It comes with a tool, and there's actually some digital instructions you can use that'll show you exactly how to do it. Another neat thing that this comes with is a few different sets of graphics and decals. Our dealership is not going to install them, because we're going to leave it up to the end user if they want to install them. But it looks like you can put them here on the radiator shrouds, probably on the front fender, maybe a couple other spots where they're open. But a really, really cool bike. Of course, you got fully adjustable Olin suspension. You have their 4-inch display that's going to have, it's a ride command setup. You have navigation. You have an interface with your mobile device if you're listening to music. You have standard FTR stuff like cruise control. All your controls and everything are FTR, and you're going to be at home with that if you're used to the other FTRs that they have. Roland Sands seat on this guy here. Actually a really nice seat, nice cover, really cool design. And honestly, in my opinion at least, this is the best colorway of any FTR. Notice these wheels even. You have this cool gold stripe here on the wheels, front and rear. Indian Super Holligan there. Really cool, of course, the Brembo brakes, LED lights, all that stuff. Very, very premium. You even have your little chin spoiler here that has the cool decals on it and everything. Just an awesome, awesome bike. I liked the blue carbon of the 100% version that they had earlier this year, but in my opinion, this is just much better. It's definitely more appealing to me. Now, I don't have a 100% version here anymore. We did sell that model here, but I do have a carbon, and we can kind of give you an A and B real quick in real time. Like I said, the carbon is a good looking bike. A lot of the stuff here, it still has the Olin suspension. We got the red trellis frame. We don't have the Krapovich exhaust. Here's our standard rear sets there. It doesn't have, even though this is a carbon version, these are not carbon on the carbon, but you do have the carbon tank covers, and you're gonna have the headlight shroud, where you're missing that on the Super Holligan. But I don't know. I'm going to be gravitating towards this. I see this at a bike night. This is going to be just awesome. This is what I'm going to want to ride. This is what I'm going to want to be seen on. So, but let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Is this a bike that you're looking forward to? Are you a current FTR owner? Do you have the first version ever, the 2019 race replica, which is another really good looking bike? Is this something that you could see in your driveway next to the race replica? I don't know. It's a limited run. It's really cool. And I'm glad that we had an opportunity here to have it. I'd love to take it for a ride, but we're going to keep the miles down on this guy. We're going to keep it at 0 miles for the new owner so they can start fresh. If you got any questions or comments or anything, please leave that below. I hope to see you guys in a future video.